And so how did the overall market do, right? So looking at Nvidia, I mean that SPY, right? SPY, it looks like it was having trouble with the 9-day moving average on the daily chart. Um, it looks like it's stuck in the middle, and now and right now it looks like it's stuck under the 9-day moving average. So what does that mean to me? That possibly means that maybe SPY could see a little bit of downtrend, possibly, right? And overall, it was doing good ever since August 12th, right? August 12th, SPY crossed over the 9-day moving average, and ever since then, it's just been in a uptrend ever since until today, right? SPY has had a little trouble today going over the 9-day moving average, and so I feel like unless SPY doesn't go past the 9-day moving average, I feel like we can't see continuations towards the uptrend of SPY unless SPY breaks the 9-day moving average. And looking on the 30-minute time chart, usually what I like to do is look at stocks on the 30-minute time chart, right? Everyone has a personal preference, right? But I've tried most of these like minute, or I guess time intervals, right? I've tried the 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 5 minutes, and etc., right? And I feel like out of all of these, right, I feel like the 30-minute time chart is probably the best time chart, or I guess it's probably the best time interval to trade on. And so looking at SPY, right, you can see that ever since the 10-hour candle, right, it's maintained itself above the 9-day moving average, right? And you can see that until the 1430 candle, right, it broke the 9 and the 20-day moving average, and then ever since then it was just in a downtrend ever since the 1430 candle. And then you can see these two candles right here, the 1530 candle and the 16-hour candle, right, had trouble breaking the 50-day moving average. And what does that tell me? I feel like if that's the case, maybe SPY could see a little bit of continuations towards the downtrend slightly tomorrow, but no one really knows for sure. No one really knows. This is just like technical analysis that I usually do on stocks, right? And it's not meant to predict like you're right or you're wrong. It could go either way, right?